To add your KVCC email to your iPad, begin by tapping Settings. Then tap Mail, Contacts, Calendars. Tap Exchange. Type your email address and password. The description will automatically be added for you. Tap Next to continue. In the server field, type mail.kvcc.me.edu. In the username field, type your username at kvtc.net and tap Next. Your information will be verified. Tap Save to sync your Exchange data. Your KVCC email now appears under Accounts. Tap the Home button to return to the home screen. Tap the Mail icon to open email. Tap the Exchange inbox to see your KVCC inbox. Tap the arrow to go back. To see all of your email folders, tap Exchange under Accounts. Tap the Home button to return to the home screen.